Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or spending hours filming? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to launch your own YouTube automation channel, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get you earning while you sleep. Step 1. Pick your niche. First, pick a niche. The most profitable faceless channels stick to topics with huge audiences and advertiser demand. Think finance, tech, motivation, or luxury. Pro tip: use free tools like Google Trends or YouTube Search to see what's trending. Why? A focused niche means loyal viewers and more money from ads. Step 2. Plan your content. Next, brainstorm 10 to 15 video ideas. Look at what's already working. Search Faceless, your niche channel, and note which videos are blowing up. Bonus: use keywords like YouTube automation, step by step, or faceless YouTube channel for inspiration. Why? Planning ahead saves time and keeps you consistent. Step 3. Create scripts and audio. Don't want to write or record yourself? No problem. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts and text-to-speech software like 11 Labs or Google's free tool for realistic voiceovers. Why? Automation means less effort, faster uploads, and more videos on your channel. Step 4. Make your videos grab copyright-free stock footage from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva. Use free editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve to put it all together. Keep it simple. Short clips, bold text, and punchy music keep viewers hooked. Why? High retention videos equals more views and more money. Step 5. Upload and optimize. When you upload, use a catchy title like How to Start YouTube Automation Step by Step, a bold thumbnail, and keywords from your research. Description: add a short summary and relevant hashtags. Call to action: ask viewers to comment their biggest question about YouTube automation that boosts engagement. Bonus tips: stay consistent. Aim for 2 to 3 videos a week. Shorts work great for quick wins. Study what works. Check analytics and double down on your best performers. Don't quit. Channels often pop off after a few months. If you want more automation hacks and step-by-step guides, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment if you want my free checklist for launching your first faceless channel. That's your crash course in YouTube automation. You don't need fancy gear or to show your face, just smart systems and a bit of hustle. See you in the next video, where I'll reveal the best AI tools to scale your channel even faster. Stay sharp, stay smart, and keep chasing that money edge.